everyone. Today, I don't know. I think we can go to the lobby because then it's down by the lobby.
Okay, yeah, you're right. No, we're on the same floor as the lobby.
Yeah.
Which is strange. Oh, you're right.
Okay, so we're going to this nice little place in the hotel to get some food. And then later we're going, yes, and then later we're going to, what's it called?
Wailea.
It's like a fancy mall area thing.
Beach.
Yeah, so. We're on our way to, what's it called?
Wailea.
Wailea.
That's the name of the area of the town.
Yeah.
Ride if you want.
Oh my.
Me and Mom did that before. Here. Or no, we did it in Brand.
Oh my, look at grandma. Okay, so basically, I got super sunburned and my face literally looked like I had a Snapchat filter, like the old lady filter on my face because my skin was so dry. So yeah, that's why it looks like that.
They are.
Turn right onto North Key Road.
Cripsy girls. Yeah, true.
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Spread their racks on new change.
We are here, y'all. Wait, what do you say? Show your flick. Nice, boys.
I just wanna rollie with a dapper ranch. I already got some designer.
It's not guacamole, it's an actual avocado.
Hey, you got any change?
Hello, vlog.
You got any change? I'll throw some in here.
We just ate.
I could wait, yeah.
We're just chilling. Oh my skin is so bad right now. We're gonna go to this ice cream shop later. Not right now.
It smells really good.
Mm-hmm. They also have coffee, and I haven't had coffee this morning, so you know, might snipe. Yeah. Cool. This is the most boring vlog day. It's fine.
It was amazing. Hey, give me a penny, y'all. We're all gonna do this. Here, guys. There you go.
Oh no! What did I do?
Watch this. I'm gonna master this. Okay, guys? Keep your hand back. Ooh, I like
Hey!
Oh, that's so good. That is good. That is.
I can tell, falling in love with you.
Okay, so we went to this ukulele shop because Delaney was gonna buy Dan a ukulele, and we like haven't been able to find one. So we went there, and the worker was literally the coolest guy ever. He was the chillest person, and he was like, he like just didn't care. He just like would sing in front of like the store and all this crap. I don't know. But yeah, that was just a clip of him, and he's super cool. Shout out to that guy. She just got Dan his ukulele. Cute. Guys, we just found these real pretty flowers. Look how cool this looks. Look at, oh my god, it's pretty.
You right?
Same. Look how pretty! So those few shots are from, it's this place that Shelly and Paul used to stay at, so they wanted to like go back and see it and stuff, and it was a really nice hotel, so we wanted to go see it. It's really pretty, so.
I just realized they put that on only display.
I can't, it doesn't even make sound.
Sing it, Jordan. Come on.
I can't. stopped at this cute little place.
Yeah, it's really cute.
Dude, look how cute. Oh my, I love it. So much.
What? The noise?
Guess that sound.
Oh.
Beep, our favorite coffee place ever.
Oh, really? Excuse me. Anything else? Sure.
Quick shout out to these ladies for making us coffee literally every single day. You're the best.
Oh, samples, bro.
We have to go get the samples at our favorite cookie place. Are we gonna get them?
Yeah.
Or should we get them on the way back?
On the way back.
Yeah, true. Okay, we're gonna go get our sweatshirts. Hello, everyone.
Hello, it's like 9 o'clock at night and I'm ready for bed.
Me too, and we tried haichu. It was real good. We got the
We should
acai
eat
kind.
more. I thought it was gum though,
Oh,
so I
I'm
tried
so
to chew
full.
it like gum, and then it was just like dissolving in my mouth, and I was like, what? I thought this was gum.
Yeah, so
But you
yeah.
girls had some samples at your favorite cookie place.
Yeah, we
True
love the
Honolulu
cookie place.
cookies.
Everyone
Had
go
to get
eat
the
there.
coffee cream from ABC.
You right, in the gallon water.
Gonna miss
Literally.
these waters too.
They're so good, honestly. They're like 1.5 liters. It's so nice.
Drink up.
Literally, I drink those so fast. It's so bad.
I do too.
But
Take them to bed with me and like.
me too. Because I know that I haven't had enough water today, so then I'm like, go. This is the haichu we
I
got.
chew bubble gum.
That would be good. It tastes like bubblegum at the beginning. It looks like Hubba Bubba.
It does.
Hashtag Tumblr girls. Gorals.
Hashtag there's 3 left, girls.
One for each of us.
Okay, girls. Even though I'm fuller than buns. Can't even get it out. Let's try it for the cam. There you go.
Thanks, babe.
I like this setup.
Me too.
It's a good filming station.
Oh, dude, and we had these nice caramels today. They were really good.
Oh my gosh, yeah. They're only 50 cents too. What? Do you ever do something that's not very funny?
Wait, what?
Wait, what? Okay, she was filming that, and I went to put that in my mouth, and I missed it, and I just like shoved it in my mouth, but I looked at the same time.
Replay. Editor Jordan, replay real quick.
50 cents too.
Alright.
I gotta go. Bye.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the hotel. Bye.
I feel my